How to fix Madden NFL 23 freezing in face of the franchise mode. Part 1, for Windows PC. 1. Quit or terminate any background running programs via WTF. 2. Disable all overlay related settings. 3. Repair the game in Origin. Like this. 4. The Origin client, and clear the Origin cache at %program data % and %app data %. 5. Clear the EA app cache. App data %. See more info at H. https://help.ea.com/n-us/help/faq/clear-cache-to-fix-problem-with-your-games. 6. Run sfc/scanno command as admin. Part 2, for Xbox. Close other running apps or games. 2. Remove any USB devices from your console. 3. Update your Xbox console. 4. Change the DNS settings. 5. Clear persistent storage in your console. 6. Clear alternate MAC address. Part 3, for PlayStation. Update the game. 2. Restore licenses for your game. 3. Rebuild the database on your console, Google PS5/4 safe mode. 4. Change DNS settings. Last but not least, keep your device and installed apps up to date.